Welcome to my studio. Figured I had a little time on my hands that I could show you what I've been up to in my studio. I've shared this space before, but I thought today I would share a little bit about what I've been doing for the last few weeks. Obviously, we are not traveling and I'm not teaching workshops right now, but I figured I could still share some information. This is a little painting I did a couple weeks ago, and I thought, I really had something that would work bigger, so I've been working on this piece. There's a little picture of my reference photo that was the original inspiration, and from that I have been doing this painting here. Fun little tips I'm going to share with you along the way while I give you this tour in the studio. Here's my old pipe palette that I love very much. These little condiment dishes that I use to mix large puddles of color. And these are the 3 puddles that I used to begin this painting. In here you can see my paintbrushes, and this is lentils. I use lentils to keep my paintbrushes vertical so they're not all falling over. So just kind of a nice way to let them dry and be able to easily see what I have there. Looking across this section, in here is my sketchbook. So this is the majority of them. I have many more at home, but these are from travels, from workshops. These are the illustrated journals on the top, and these are the larger sketchbooks that I make. So they're the 10 by 11. So this is where I keep all my sketchbooks. Looking across here, things that I enjoy looking at that I keep around. Paintings by friends over there. That one right there, that's Ian Stewart. Books that I have been in, instructional books that I think are very good, books on other artists that I enjoy collecting. Up here is old vintage pens that I've collected along the way. I enjoy drawing with them, but I also use them as props in my paintings. Some are from Italy. This is one Civil War era. It was a little traveling ink pot, little dainty ones for women back in the Victorian era. So old fountain pens. Over here is an assortment of paintings that began as demos that I'm trying to finish up now. So I have a little bit of extra time to do that. So I'm just working on finishing things up at this point. Over here is the area that I call the Nook, that usually I get to have coffee with friends and enjoy sitting here, but obviously not right now with self-isolation, but in time that will happen again. Inspiration sign and inspiration in coffee. I need lots of coffee. Across this way is material for workshops that I keep, area where I photograph paintings, workshop supplies, shipping boxes, all those things that I need. And my lonely sketch bag, not heading out to paint anywhere. So it's kind of back here in the supply room. Something else I've been working on, and back across into the studio area. Large flat table here, lots of flat files. It's really handy for watercolor paper and mats, large pieces of paper. Here's just an assortment of different paintings that are in the works that I'm finishing. And paintings by friends, some by me. But I like keeping paintings around that inspire me and challenge me and encourage me. So basically paintings by friends and people that I admire. So back over here to my desk. I've spoke about this desk before. It's one that was made by my husband. Just really very functional. He even put a little rail down there for me to rest my feet on. So back over here, looking across, there's my door, and just a selection of paintings that hopefully soon we'll have shows going again and they can be shipped off to where they're supposed to be. But this is my desk and what I have going on. I hope that you are staying creative, finding things that inspire you and encourage you. I hope that this space of mine maybe encourages you to get your paints back out, do something creative, no matter if it's very small like this one or something bigger. But creativity truly does help pass the time, and it keeps us in a very healthy kind of mindset. So even though we're experiencing this time of staying at home to be safe, doesn't mean that we can't be busy and creative. This is my happy place. And those of you who know who my assistant is, he is sitting right down here, ready to spring in action next time I head out. But for now, yes, he's even wearing his mask too. So, gotta keep a sense of humor, folks. So here we are, once again, back to the painting. Be creative, be helpful, be healthy, and we will see you again when I'm traveling, when I'm doing workshops, or just stop by my blog and see what I'm up to.